judge. I'm at the out too, and I'm a stopper. So put some respect on my name, girl. Respect. Fuck me with hosting, babe. Yo. Yours, Doja. The way I listen to the same songs every day, it's scary. Like, ngilalela ingoma ezodwa all day, every day. Kodwa sengizama ukuthanda uFriday kakhulu manje. Remember when Nicki Minaj said to Lil Wayne, "Do you know how much I love you?" No, I don't remember. Please play Friday, Zomdala Manj. Yes, you've been this way, but it's fine, I'm okay. I'm just wrong, I couldn't tell you. Lo, your peeps reminding you the right thing. You've been my crush since I was. Oh, yeah, come on, Baba, I don't mean those. Oh, I didn't know. I play it over and over again. I see you trending on Facebook, honey. That's okay. That's okay.
The career you've been dreaming of is waiting for you in Australia's Northern Territory. Explore thousands of opportunities, rediscover work-life balance and an unmatched lifestyle upgrade. Search jobs and set up your job alerts today at jobs.theterritory.com.au.
Navigate your way through tax and compliance with Sage, helping business grow.
Because I'm fucking my head. I want you to be broke, yo. Keep up with life, okay? I can be all fine. Put my pride aside, give it up to you. I won't waste no time. angazi ukuthi ngidlaleni ke. Why ungenza nje Friday? Why ungenza nje? Because the other day I was playing Friday ngosabankiphanga. Ngiyakhumbula? The other day I was playing Friday but I didn't keep at all. Like lama comments lawa ngiyawathandisisa kancane but awekho, they're not spicy. Like the morning comments were nice. These comments are just yeah. I won't waste your time. I won't waste your time. It up to me. Put my pride aside. Oh, uthi ngidlala piano cast ya Stanky. Ayibo, uthi ngidlala piano cast. Yeah. Piano. Piano cast. Put my pride aside, give it up to you. Yo, kade ngiwalalela. Ever when I was driving to Durban. When I was driving to Durban, kade ngilalela piano cast. Why? Would you date a famous guy again? No. What? No, thank you. Siyabonga. Iyiphi leyana konje? I don't know if it's this one. What's in Never again. Ubani ukushayile mfethu? Ay. What's in his? What's your name, Len? Yeah, yon. Nani, nesino. Yon. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything. I got played. Ashani Zanj. Congratulations. Yo, umiwe manje uthi angiqoda utshwala. But I can't. Okay, let me order something. I think ukuthi alcoholic, yes. Yeah. And ayitazoyenziwa. Funny enough. ngingakaze ngiye kwi-piano cast mina. Ngathi unamanga. Okay. Alright. Tengiyazi ukuthi angihlanye ngekhanda ngeke ngifike la ngizoqamba amanga. Yo, V1. Bas baba saban. Would you consider being a DJ? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Manje mengibo DJ ngisebenza kakhulu. I know, like umsebenzi wocoaster, like it's limited, like it's not too much. Angifuni ukuhlale ngi-out, angifuni ukuhlale ngisemagigini, angifuni ukuhlale mengibo DJ ngizoba busy kakhulu. Ngeke usabayeke u-DJ what? Ngizoba busy kakhulu guys. Ngcono when I'm hosting, I know that ngiyahosta la ngihlale because I don't really like being outside like that. I just be outside because I get paid for being outside, so why not? Why not? Got to yabona manje ngizoyenza the same things I always do every time mengiphuma emjolweni. I like grooving actually helps me somehow, like I don't know, like it actually very much helps me. Ngiyagroova. So nje ngisazogroova nje ukuthi nje khona into ezongibamba kancane solungisa yona fast. It's either I'm gonna groove or I'm gonna travel. Groove zobe ngiyibona ngizotravela manje. But manje mengitravela ngizoya kanjani? Okay. Ngizobona ngenze njani? Because I cannot not go to Montana, baby. I cannot not go to Montana. That's my home, baby. That's my home. I can't miss Montana. I can't miss Louis. I can't miss opera. I can't. Are you currently on a talking stage with anyone? No. I don't do that. I can't be like that. Like, I can't just. I understand. Like, isn't those hambanga gash, and then we ended up breaking up. But I can't just act like now we never had a thing. Like, man, I have to move on as quick as that. Like, no, I can't be like that. Ngifuna ukuthi mase move on kube ukuthi right, like mentally, physically, and also man just songs with you mean like you say. I think I need some therapy. I need therapy because I started normalizing things that are not normal. Now that I'm thinking about it, those things were not normal, but I normalized them. Like it was something that was normal. So I was just like, okay, I guess it's normal. But it wasn't. So now it's still mind fucking me. I need some therapy. You know how much, hey. Jumpsuit, I like the jumpsuit. Okay, I got it from Doro Mongi. Sorry, not Doro. Sorry, Le Blue, yeah, Doro. You see the blue one that I always wear, the one that I love. That one, yeah, Doro. This one, yeah, Fairly Fitness. Sorry, guys. That was a lie. ngizazingikhalelani. I asked if ngiyakwazi